Hi everyone! Ngayong araw ay isi-share ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-register o mag-open ng account sa GoTime Bank. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, ay kailangan muna natin i-download ang GoTime app. The app is available on App Store and Google Play Store. I-search lamang ang GoTime Bank at i-click ang install to download the app. Once downloaded, ay click lang ang open to begin. And here are some perks that you can get in signing in with GoTime. 3 transfers to other banks per week, 5% interest rate on your savings, earn up to 3 times Go Reward points whenever you shop, and help from humans, not bots. To begin the registration, we just need to click Open an Account, then answer the 2 first questions about our nationality. Then accept the terms and conditions below to continue. Enter your active mobile number, then wait for the OTP that will be sent on your number. Enter your email address, then click Next. Time to take a selfie. Before taking a selfie, remove anything na makakatakip sa ulo at mukha mo, including mask, eyeglasses, hat, and heavy makeup. Then find some good lighting na maiilawan yung mukha mo evenly, and no need to smile or move, just stay still. If you're ready, just click Take a Selfie. Then after taking a selfie, your face will be scanned. Just wait until it's verified to proceed. Next to scan is our ID. We just need to get our valid ID ready after checking the list of accepted valid IDs on the next page. But before we move to the next page, read the following instructions first in scanning your ID. Follow all the instruction in scanning your ID, then proceed. At ito ang listahan ng mga ID na maaari natin gamitin sa pag-register. I-select lang kung anong ID ang available sa'yo, then start to scan. After scanning your ID, you need to confirm if readable ba yung information na nasa ID mo. If yes, then we can proceed. If not yet, then you can rescan it. ID is now successfully uploaded. In this part, we just need to confirm kung tama ba yung details na nasa screen at kung match ba ito sa ating ID. Next to enter is our place of birth. We just need to click the drop-down to select. After that, we also need to enter our home address. Ilagay lang ang house or building number and or street name, municipality or province, and barangay. In this part, we just need to select the industry we work in, our occupation, and the main source of our funds. Then we need to create our usernames. It should be 8 to 32 characters, must start with a letter and no special characters. And once done creating a username, we will be redirected to another page wherein we need to create a 6-digit passcode. In this part, just click Got It, then our account is now ready to go. Log in using your creds, then start banking with GoTime. And we have successfully logged in. So, ganun lang kadali mag-register o mag-open na account dito sa GoTime Bank. Hindi mo na kailangang maghintay ng ilang araw for the approval, and you will have a instant debit card in less than 10 minutes. Dito nagtatapos ang video ito. Sana'y nakatulong ito sa pag-register mo sa GoTime Digital Bank. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!